Anytime you uploaded your videos, you discover that you have zero views, zero subscribers. People are not subscribed to your channel. You are getting low views, and you are searching for how to get view on your YouTube channel. I think I need to share with you a story of David. There's one guy called David. Anytime he uploaded a video on his YouTube channel, he usually gets 10 views, 20 views, sometimes zero views and zero subscribers. Nothing after working hard. With just one simple strategy, it changed everything for David. He started getting views, he started getting subscribers, and at the end of the day, he blown up, he become successful on YouTube. But with just one simple strategy, maybe you are missing the strategy, and let me narrate the story for you. And I believe that if you are able to work with this strategy, David actually utilized, I think it's going to be profitable, and you are going to equally change the story as a YouTube small creators. Now, let me share the story with you. David created a YouTube channel 3 months ago. Anytime he recorded a video, he spends hour editing the video on a smartphone, and at the end of the day, he will upload it. And he discovered that he will have zero views, 10 views, 20 views, no subscribers. David has tried a lot, because sometimes he will spend his nights memorizing the scripts. What is he going to tell his viewers? What is he going to say? And then he will start editing the videos with many hours. At the end of the day, nothing. He just say, will I quit, or should I quit creating videos? One night like that, David just decided to say, okay, let me try something new. He just go to the YouTube and watch a random video. And he just came across a video of his small creators who just gone viral suddenly. From that video, David learned something. The small creator said, stop creating video on what you like. Instead, create video on what people like or what people are searching for. That's how David know that there is something they call YouTube SEO, because in his life, he had never heard about YouTube SEO. From that video, he discovered that YouTube is different from any other kind of platform. It's different from a social media platform where you just post any content, people watch it, and whether they like it or not, they just watch it. But YouTube is a place where you search and you watch. YouTube is a search engine optimization, just like a Google, whereby you only create video that people are searching for. If you create video you like, you create video that people are not searching for, he's not going to get view. Even though if you get view, then let me say it is by luck. So that's how David now said, okay, I should create video on what people are searching. How do I do this? That's how David now decided in the second day in the morning. He now said, okay, let me go to the YouTube search. Let me even make a video on what people are searching for. He now typed how to get views on YouTube video. One thing that surprises David was that David now discovered that YouTube itself suggested some keywords. The keywords that are related to what he searched, like how to get views on YouTube video fast, how to get views and subscribers on YouTube, how to get views for a small creators or for beginners. David now say, okay, so this is how YouTube is. He now say, okay, let me go to Google. You go to Google, you search how to get views on YouTube. Google equally suggested what people are searching. He said people ask for how to increase views and subscribers, how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You know, say, okay, so this is how this thing works. Google will tell you this is what people ask for, so make videos on them. So that's how David now realized that YouTube is even telling me to make videos on what people are searching for. That's how he realized that this is what YouTube SEO is. YouTube is a search engine optimization. And that's what changed David's stories. And David now decided to say, okay, now let me create a video. He now created a video on how to get views on YouTube. He uploaded it, and instead of him titling the video on new videos, he just said how to get views on YouTube 2026. Instead of him uploading a thumbnail that is just anyhow, he created a thumbnail with a bold words and curiosity, something that will trigger people emotion to click the thumbnail. It is not a clickbait, but he just created the thumbnail in a such way that it is very simple, very clear, light, and curiosity. It trigger people to watch it. And you know one thing, instead of him making a long intro, he decided to hook people in the first 5 seconds. He just go directly to the main point. Instead of him say that, hello guys, welcome back to the channel, do this. No, he just said how to get views on YouTube videos and started talking the main point. That's how he realized that this is how to optimize YouTube videos. And suddenly he changed his strategy. This is how he started creating videos on this. And you know what? In the first video that he's going to create, he published it. The videos that is having 10 views started having 100 views. The video that is having 200 views just suddenly go to 2K views. From 2K views to 10K views. That's how he started getting views. And you know what? David was very, very excited. Very, very happy. But let me tell you something. You know the reason why David is happy? It is not because of this view, but it is because he believed that YouTube only reward creators that learn, improve, and refuse to quit. This is the three things that David learned. Not because of the view. He learned that YouTube, if you want to actually make it on YouTube, you need to learn how YouTube works. You need to improve your videos, improve your SEO, improve your YouTube SEO, how to optimize your video. And at the end of the day, stay consistent. Do not quit. These are the three things that David learned from these small creators. And that's how I started getting views. Now you, as a small creator, you believe that you cannot make it. You want to give up. You want to give up. Follow this simple strategy. Today, start learning how YouTube works. Start improving your YouTube SEO. Improve your title. David built his YouTube SEO around his title. No matter which niche you are, whether you are under motivation, you are under sport, any other thing, include the keyword, what people are searching, include it into your title. Like people who are creating content on football. Today, there might be a news about Messi. You will see their title. It will contain Messi name. People who are creating video on motivation, they go to search, see the way people are searching it. They create their title around this keywords. The same thing with how to grow YouTube channel. We build our title around this. Your thumbnail, make it bold, make it clear, make it curiosity, like what people is going to click. So this is the way YouTube actually rewards their creators. So I believe if you are following this, you can equally make it. But at the end of the day, do not quit. YouTube is not only by luck. It actually rewards those who keep posting, who stay consistent. Because without consistency, you are going nowhere. Even though you are making a confirmed content, you need to be consistent, and that is the key to success for this YouTube. So if you are a small creator and you are ready to give up, I'm telling you, do not give up. Just focus on learning how YouTube works, learning what people are currently searching, and make videos on them. You can improve yourself. Why not? Improve yourself. And at the end of the day, do not quit. Do not quit, because he or she who quits is the one that fuck up.
Yeah.